Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Lim Reviews. So in this video, we'll be checking out the Redmi Note 8 Pro that I got right here. And no surprises, I already unboxed the device. There are already a couple of videos on YouTube that shows you what's in the box. To be honest, it's nothing really surprising. What you get is the standard device itself, a plastic case, charger, and Type-C cable. You also get, let me see, what else? Oh, that's it. So that's all you get in the box, the charger and the cable and the silicone case itself, and of course the device. But I'm here today to just talk quickly about the Redmi Note 8 Pro and my initial impressions, and of course a bit about the camera that's on the back of this device. So as you can see here, my device is the green unit, and to be honest, it feels pretty good in my hands. So I did put a post on Instagram. If you're not following me, you should check it out. I'm saying that this phone feels a bit cheap, but now that I got the unit like in my hands right here, it actually feels pretty good. So it's quite solid and it feels really nicely built. So the back is made of glass, and of course it feels a bit heavy, to be honest. The screen, we still have an LCD screen here, which in my opinion is not the most saturated, of course, because that is still an LCD. So you can't expect like AMOLED kind of levels in terms of the contrast levels and the saturations. So otherwise, the LCD panel is good for basic use. I mean, this is a budget phone, so you're not expecting to get like really flagship specs on this device. But yeah, I'm not going to talk too much about the specs. The main thing I want to share with you guys in this video is actually my experience with the camera. So Redmi is touting this as the first 64MP camera smartphone, if you will. But to be honest, I'm not really a megapixel fan. I don't care like if it's 100 megapixels. I mean, it could be 200 megapixels, but the quality could still be bad, right? So I take my cameras on my smartphones very seriously. So I got this just today, and I was able to take a couple of sample shots. Outdoors, it was a bit cloudy today, and I did get some night shots. So based on my first experience with the camera, unfortunately, I cannot say that I'm really impressed. I've been very used to my Redmi K20 Pro, and that comes with a 48 megapixel camera, but it works, to be honest, in my opinion, better than the 64MP on the back of this Redmi Note 8 Pro. So daylight shots, of course, daylight shots these days, any smartphone camera can take a good daylight photo. As long as there is ample light, you'll be able to get like a really nice photos. But what really matters to me is when there is not enough lighting. So like I said, I don't care about the megapixels. I don't care how big the sensor is. The results from this camera, to be honest, it's okay, but it's not spectacular. So if you're just posting for your Instagram or your social media, it will definitely be good enough for that. But if you're like me and you're looking for like a really good camera, so I can't say that this is the one for you. Anyways, just to quickly sum up, daily shots in the day is good. When it is cloudy, it is okay. But what really matters to me, in my opinion, again, this is my personal opinion. Please don't get angry or mad with me for saying the camera is not great. But during the night shots, I noticed that when I turn on night mode, pictures were very noisy. So there was a lot of noise in the pictures, and usually if this kind of situation occurs like on night mode, then I wouldn't really recommend the night mode for this device. But of course, it does better than without night mode. So night mode images, like I said, are noisy. If there are a lot of lights in the night scene, it will turn out better. But if you like really low light situations, the image will be grainy. It will not be, it's just not that clear. So let me see what else can I share about the camera. Oh, the wide angle camera. The wide angle camera is very similar in terms of performance to the Redmi K20 Pro, in such that it is wide, but the edges are not so clear. So what I mean by that is just check out this sample. The wide angle camera is pretty good during the day if it has enough light, but when it is nighttime, the wide angle camera is pretty bad. The quality is pretty bad. Other than that, yeah, so this is just a initial impressions. I've just started testing this camera, and of course this is just after a few shots. I've took about like 50 or 60 shots in the device itself, and I will continue to do more. But for now, the camera to me is okay. It's not great, it's okay. It's good enough for this price point. I would say that the camera is, I would give it a sort of thumbs up, slightly up, but not really fully up. So if you get what I mean. Anyways, that's it for this video. I'll show you guys more of my sample images taken on this device. Oh yeah, and please follow me on Instagram at @limreviews to check out the photos that I do over there. Anyways, let me know what you guys want to know from the camera itself, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!